19. Pass to 33, 33, pass to 36, still 21, 21, pass to 20, 20, number 20, late, easy, 2 points by number 20. Number 20, pass to 19, 19, tumira, no good, dribble 20, 20, pass to 14, 14, late, easy, basket by number 13. Number 5, number 5, pass to number 19, number 19 to 34, 34, tumira, basket. 23, pass to number 14, 14, tumira, no good. Rebound to 23, 23, dress, no good. Number 5, number 5, number 5, dribble the ball, number 5. Pass to number 19, 19, no dribble. Pass sa kalaban, 20. 34, 34, tumatakbo, sumalaksak, easy, 2 points by number 34. Out of bounds. To shoot. 19, easy, 2 points by number 19. 14, dribble the ball, number 14, pass to number, still 33, tumatakbo, pass to number 34, 34, tumira, no good, patalikod, dribble the only, 19, pass to number 20, pass to 23, 23, tumira, no good, rebound 19, pass to 20, 20, tumira, no good, rebound 19 left, foul! Foul number 36. Second personal foul, first team foul.
Sub.
First attempt, basket. Second attempt, no good. Rebound 19, 19, pass to number 5. Number 5, dribble the ball, number 5. Pass to 36, 36, pass to 34, 34. Pass to 36, 36. Tumira, sa 5, sa kanya ulit bola. 33, simple pa ulit. Number 5, dribble the ball, number 5. Pass to 19, tumira. Easy, 2 points. Pass to number 5, tumira, number 5, no good, rebound 14, 14, pass to number 20, 20, release, no good, rebound 5, tumira, no good, rebound 20, rebound, pass to number 5, bump, tumira, wow, 3 seconds, violation, 3 seconds. Still 36, pass to number 5, no good, rebound 33. to 24, pass to 18, 18, lace, no good. 10 seconds to shoot. 3, 2 points lang ang tawag ng ating referee. Here we go, 28, tumira ng hook. Rebound number 24, foul. Foul number 5. Second, personal foul. Third, team foul. 88, dribble the ball, number 88. Time to shoot. Foul. Foul number 34. Third, personal foul. Second, team foul. Stop. Pasok. Labas, sana lalabas. Seven to 7. Pass to 23. Pass to number 3. Number 3 to 23.
Nice one.
To 2 points by number 23. 18. 18. Dribble the ball. 18. Ulitin ang bola. 18. Still a 16. Pass to 7 to 7. 7 to 7 to 6. Number 6. Lace. No good. Number 7.
Set.
22.
Huwag nyo mataliin.
5 to shoot. 23.
Nice one.
3
Ay, gago.
seconds violation. Timeout. Issue shot. Back to the ball game. Dribble the ball. Number 33. Pass to number 4. Number 4. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Tumira. No good. Foul. Foul number 3. First, personal foul. Second, team foul. First attempt, no good. Twenty-three. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Number 6. No good. Number 33. 33. Dribble the ball. Number 33. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Lace foul. Foul number 3. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 53-28 in favor of Insure Shot. Second attempt, no good. Dribble the ball. 23. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Tumira. No good. Dribble the 33. 33. Tumatakbo. 33. Dribble the ball. 33. Huminto. Number 33.
nila wag silang alakit.
First attempt, basket.
Hindi, alin yung shirt ah.
Second attempt, no good. Rebound naman ni 18. Pass sa third 6. 18. 18 pa lang. Number 18, dribble the ball. Pass sa number 24. 24. Pass sa number 4. Number 4 to 33. 33. Dribble the ball. Late. No good. Rebound number 3. Number 3. With the ball. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 6. Number 6. Tumira. 2 points by number 6. 33. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 24. 24. Tumira. No good. Rebound ni 23. 23. Pass to number 6. Number 6. To number 7. To number 6. Number 6. Tumira number 6. Is 2 points by number 6.
Nice ball!
Sayang.
24. Out of bounds, same ball. Number 4, pass to number 18. Number 18, sumalik sa number 18, Tumira. No good. Rebound ni number 6. To 7-7. 7-7, Lace. Issue, basket. 33. 33. Dribble the ball. 33. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Tumatakbo number 3. Pass to 33. Sisi basket by number 23.
Best player doon.
Foul. Foul number 16. First personal foul.
Parang dito parang sa
Warning. Foul penalty.
pagkamali mo.
First attempt, basket. Remaining time, 12 seconds. Score, 62-30 in favor of Inshusha. Rebound to 23.